how to share others reels on Instagram post. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's guide video, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can share others reels on your Instagram post, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to share others reels on your Instagram post, open up the Instagram application here. Then just come to the reel tab. By default, you'll be able to see different type of reel. Normally, if you want to share these reels, you can just tap the DMs icon on the right hand side of the screen here, and then you can just add the reel to your story by tapping the add to story button. But can you repost them to your Instagram profile? Well, the answer is actually no, because Instagram does not let you repost someone else's reels to your profile. Even if you do, it's basically called copyright infringement. So it's not called sharing, but it's called reposting. You're not really sharing them, just like you have the repost option on TikTok. You're not really doing that. What you're doing is you're just getting yourself vulnerable to a copyright infringement and then just getting your account banned. So you can share them to your story, but you cannot really share them to your reels, because that would just be re-uploading someone else's content. So hope this video helps you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.